Dear friends, these instructions give you an algorithm in case you for any reason decided to block your Ultima wallet and Ultima farm. These instructions are very important because the safety of your money depends on how quickly and correctly you can perform these actions. Step 1. Ultima wallet blocking. The process of blocking a wallet and the farm assigned to it starts from Ultima wallet. So, if you know that your wallet was compromised, was accessible to a third party or the public, open the Ultima Wallet app and go to the Block Wallet section. Please note that this menu item is only available if you are authorized. The screen will display a request to confirm termination of smart contracts created for this wallet. The message will say that after confirmation, all unminted coins under the smart contract will be burned. This is necessary to avoid losing your future profit to malicious intruders. Swipe right to confirm. If you have many contracts, you will need to confirm the destruction of them multiple times. After the destruction of smart contracts, all unminted coins will be burned. Step 2. Contacting the support service of PLC Ultima. Now you need to contact the support service of PLC Ultima. Inform the support service that you have initiated the wallet's blocking process, as well as destructed all smart contracts, and ask the service to reset your main wallet and farm wallet. No particular form is required for such a letter. The support service will check you and unbind your wallet. After that, you will no longer have main wallet and farm wallet bound. Step 3. Creating new wallets. You should create a new wallet in the Ultima Wallet app and assign it as the main one. This can be easily done in the settings menu of the Ultima Wallet app. As soon as you have created a new wallet in the Ultima Wallet app and assigned it as the main one, open the Ultima Farm app. It will automatically create a new farm wallet and link it to your account. Step 4. Import of a compromised farm wallet. Now you need to import the old compromised farm in your Ultima Farm app. If you have one phone and you're using a farm that you've just created, click on Exit in the Settings menu. This will completely remove all wallets from the application. Then log in and import the old farm that was compromised. Step 5. Blocking imported farm wallet. After you've finished importing the Ultima Farm application, the Block and Farm button will appear in the Settings menu. Click on it and a new screen will open. Swipe right to confirm consent to reconcluding of all smart contracts. Important: you will need to reconclude each existing smart contract. With 76 old smart contracts on the farm, you will need to reconclude every single one of them. The contracts will be reconcluded to your new farm and new wallet as of the time of reconcluding. For example, if you had one PLCU blocked and 4 of 12 minting outputs were already deblocked, then by reconcluding to a new wallet, you will have only 8 minting outputs. When you finish the smart contracts reconcluding, you will see a notification about the successful reconcluding of the contracts. Congratulations! You've finished blocking the compromised wallet and renewed minting for new wallets. Your coins are safe now.